Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to learn how to create a report in Oracle APEX. Guys, Oracle APEX provided us many types of report. We will discuss all type of reports in our tutorials. Please stay with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start. But today, you can say now we are creating report uh, name interactive report. We are going to learn how to create interactive report Oracle Apex. Let's start. Press create page. When you press create page, there is a pop-up pop-up window in front of you. You can see report. Press report button. This all type of report Oracle Apex provided us. We would discuss all type of reports, but now we are creating learn interactive report uh, in this tutorial. So please stay with me and press next. Going to press next button. Interactive report. I'm assigning any name, page name. Interactive. I'm pressing interactive. Press next. Navigation menu. This name will be shown navigation menu in Apex. We can change name, but I'm press next. After pressing this window showing that asking me table in which we wanna create our or report. Guys, in at this window we can select single table or we can select SQL query. We can write or SQL query in this window, or we can select or create or make or query from this query builder. I'm pressing query builder. Oracle showing or browser, object browser. You can select any table, you can join any table. You can see here, can cancel. You can create or press any when you click any field, this field would be showing in a or a report. Okay, I'm pressing cancel. I'm creating report from table. I'm press assigning table name. So I'm selecting table. In this browser, Oracle Apex showing you view table. You can see a table, concatenate table name. If view, I'm pressing view. I'm creating from view. Press create. Guys, or interactive report has been ready. You can see this is a column. This is the page designer. This column would be shown in our report. You can change of, you can hide, you can change data type, you can change any attribute of field from press any field. You can change here. You can change from this property palette. You can enable to user hide. You can hide, you can sort, you can assign anything from from this property palette. Okay, if I'm doing a press rate contribution, I'm pressing a type hide column. This column would be hide in a report, right? This is a report. I'm pressing run button. You can see this is a Oracle Apex provided as a report view format. You can change upper column name, document title. You can change title name. You can from assign center. Now we will discuss about these actions. Yes, this is a beautifully of Apex provided for the user, for end user. End user can search from here. I type anything. I'm spreading 6. Show this Apex filter 6 regarding 6 data. Okay, this is a very beautifully feature provided end user column. You can hide or show column from this section. You can or end user can change or hide column from this. I'm hiding item ID. You can see, you can up down column. I'm applying. You can see item code hide it. You can see just showing item description. You can filter, end user can filter type, select any type. I'm pressing voucher trans type equal to. I'm applying this filter. This filter can also apply from end user. Just cross this filter. You can assign column, hide column, filter. You can change sort. You can or end user can change sort. End user can summarize column, aggregate. This would be uh, uh, select column. I'm pressing quantity count sum. You can function sum, average, count, anything you can. I'm pressing sum plus column. I'm selecting quantity, apply. You can see at the top, at the end of the report, Apex showing summary. This function also perform from end user. This button provided are showing on every end user. You can change, you can aggregate, sort, compute, format, control break, chart, group by. You can pivot table. You can create pivot table from this view. You can download CSV, HTML, CSV, PDF, email, XLS, Excel. End user can also perform this action. You can, when friend, when as user, ABC user save this template, save this filter, ABC user save this filter, then this filter, this template would be showing only ABC user, not all user. All user, all user, not all user. For example, I'm saving, applying any filter. I'm user end user ABC. I'm applying any filter and any data source aggregation, applying aggregation. That then this template would be shown only for me, not for any other user. Okay, you can end user can save template from here. I'm end user can group by using end user can group by. Any user can control break. I'm control break on trans type, apply. You can see opening to breakdown on purchase. You can see a sum. When I save this report template, save default port setting, primary, then this report will be always shown on my user, just for my user. Friend, end user can make a chart at runtime. I'm creating chart, a pie chart, label, trans type, value, quantity, function, sum, apply. You can say end user can make any chart from this. This is static view, this is a graphical view, and user can perform all this type. Okay. As a developer, you can uh, access. You can say you can change authority. You can change authority from user by user. I'm showing you that I'm attribute. I'm pressing on attribute. You can see a search bar. When you press as a developer, you press off, then this search bar would not show any report for any user. Search field, finder drop down. Okay, this is also sort, control break, highlighted, compute, average, chart. If you pivot table, I'm pressing off pivot table, save, then you then you can see pivot table not showing in action. You can see pivot table. So guys, as a developer, you can change, or you can on off switch, or you can hide report feature action from attribute. You can showing download. You can also changing down whose whose option would be showing in for end user. This option we can also from on off from this. Okay guys, this tutorial on interactive grid. You can change number ruler, quick editor, theme style you can change, you can logo change from here, you can everything. Guys, now we'll shortly discuss on columns. This column heading, this heading you can center, you can also change column. This is a column change, a GL double C. This would be center. This is a layout. I'm also saying save. You can see column behavior. This is showing the GL account. This is also text center, and the data also in a center. You can change of attribute from this property palette. Guys, please stay with me for more video. Please subscribe my channel. Share with your friend channel. If you have any query, please comment. Visit my Facebook page. Visit my blog. Thank you. Take care.